It's very easy to make pledges, but it's very difficult to see change happen. And I think that's where projects like Voltage and donations like the Power Corporation donation can come in.
We're in a change process in the world, and that change process has to be just and fair, but also address climate. The only way we're going to do that is to move to not only a clean energy future, but a clean energy future based on a clean electricity future. That means we have to look at how we weave together the new change forces, how people own that, develop that, invest that, and where does technology come?
Et l'avantage de ces partenariats, justement, public-privé, c'est de penser une recherche qui répond vraiment aux besoins.
Partnerships are the key. You cannot just close mind and close your people in university. We should be open innovations and open the sectors, from the industry to the family to the relationship with both government.
The Cities Institute's mission, vision is very aligned with Voltage, because in Voltage we want to develop technology on the one hand for electrification, but we also want to bring it into real communities, and we want to see what processes and governance is necessary to make change happen.
You know, we're building a new kind of energy web, so you need that government support. But to implement that, you have to have other partners. That means the private sector, that means community partners, that means technology partners.
Matching the money between government and institutions like private or industrial is very important. We need to have hybridizations.
In this era, sustainability, addressing climate change, biodiversity loss, these are important values to Power Corporation. We are determined to strengthen our contribution where we can, working through partners like Concordia to strengthen the resilience and sustainability of our society.
It brings people like partners like Indigenous Clean Energy and great researchers from the university to the table.
It's not enough to mobilize the citizens. We need to bring in the private sector, and Power Corporation is an important player in Canada, both on the financial side but also in the renewable energy.
On parle beaucoup de l'expérience, de l'enseignement expérientiel pour les étudiants, et on sent vraiment cette même tendance dans la recherche qui est développée à Concordia, avec un souci profond de penser à la société, aux impacts que doivent avoir la recherche pour notre société.
And we're just delighted for the Concordia community that they've had such a good success. Very optimistic for some outstanding outcomes coming from these initiatives.
One feature of Voltage that I dearly love is the embrace the university has had for Indigenous inclusion, and said, we will do Voltage with Indigenous people and communities at the heart of it. And that is going to make Voltage not only better in terms of its outcome, but is doing it in a just and fair way that defines not just Concordia, but defines Canada.